Welcome, a complete novelty! With you in mind, we have been looking for a solution for cleaning sheet metal from the most difficult to remove contaminants. Here it is. The Otinus laser cleaner with max photonics 3 kW source will find application in any plant that struggles with the need to clean material before further processing. With a state-of-the-art head equipped with dedicated optics, our cleaner will save you time and resources needed to eliminate any dirt from your material. Using a beam from 10 to as much as 300 millimeters, you will ensure that you can clean entire sheets of metal from powder paint, varnish, oil stains, deep corrosion, metallic coatings, and other substances, and this just in a few minutes. Forget about wasting material, time, and resources with the Otinus laser cleaner. But that's not all. Our machine comes with full service support with fast response time. What sets us apart from the competition is our efficient service and constant contact with our customers. We provide professional training in the operation of the machine. Our technician will come to your company and show you how to operate the machine tailored to the profile of your company. Want to know more? Visit our website otinus.com or call the number on the screen.